So here is how to refund a game on Steam. First up, head over to the Steam application. And as you can see, I'm already here. Once you're in the app, make sure that you're logged in. Now, go over to Steam on the top left and select Settings. In the Settings section, you will get to see all of these options. From here, select Account. Once you're in the account, you will get to see Add Funds, Privacy Settings, and Account Details. Go over to your account details. Once you're here, you will get to see things like wallet balance and other settings options. For our purpose, we will go over to View Purchase History. This is where you'll be able to view all of your purchases on Steam. So as you can see, this is one of our purchases. After clicking on a purchase, you'll be brought to this page, and it will look something like this. Here, look for the option, I would like a refund, and click on it. So on this page, you can view when the game was purchased, and also you can view the receipt. Here, just click on I would like to request a refund. And then Steam will look into the issue, and if you're eligible, you'll be issued a refund. And that's it. That is exactly how to refund a game on Steam.